Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a delicious and unique dessert, Sago Rasmalai. Soft chewy tapioca balls shimmered in creamy milk. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of sago or tapioca pearls. Wash them well with water and keep aside for 10 minutes. Always soak sago properly to prevent hard center after cooking. Sago pearls are made from the starch of tropical palm stems. Now pour them into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Mix everything together until well combined. Tapioca is naturally gluten-free, making this dessert allergy-friendly. Tapioca pearls provide quick energy and are easy to digest. Grease your hands lightly with oil and gently shape the sago mixture into small balls. In a pan, bring 2.5 cups of milk to a gentle boil. Add half teaspoon cardamom powder for a beautiful aroma. Cardamom not only adds fragrance but also aids digestion. Drop the sago balls carefully into the milk. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Stir gently while cooking to maintain the shape of the balls. Cook on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes. Low heat is key to avoid curdling the milk or until the sago balls turn transparent and soft. Now add 1/4 cup condensed milk, mix well and cook for another minute. Rasmalai usually uses paneer, but today's version uses chewy sago for a fun twist. Adding condensed milk enhances both sweetness and creaminess without needing extra sugar. Sago desserts are popular in many Asian countries under different names. Turn off the heat and let it cool slightly before serving. Creamy and delightful Sago Rasmalai is ready. Did you enjoy this simple and creamy Sago Rasmalai recipe? Which flavor would you love to add next time? Saffron or rose? Let us know in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more exciting and unique recipes. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay sweet.